looking at?
How do you say Mother's Day in Russian? Mama Dien?
One more time? One more time? Okay guys, now I'm gonna challenge you to some English words.
Thank you, Max.
Now I'm gonna seriously challenge you.
Carla, ooh Carla. Carla, ooh Crawley.
Hi friends! Hi! Today we're gonna talk about Mother's Day. We invited an expert today. First, she's real Canadian. Second, she gave so many presents to her mom. Third, she is from Newfoundland. And she just beautiful, friendly girl. Hi Courtney, welcome to our channel, Nicole and Max.
Hi guys, thanks for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
Can you tell us about Mother's Day?
In Canada, we love to celebrate Mother's Day to show our appreciation and our gratitude towards our mothers, our grandmothers, aunts, or any mother-like figure. For example, we give gifts to our mothers. When I was in school, I used to make a homemade card for my mom to tell her how much I loved her. Maybe paint her a picture just to show my appreciation. Now I love to give her flowers and show what I can to let her know how much I love her.
Great! I love flowers.
Mother's Day in Canada is celebrated on the second Sunday in May.
Courtney, how do you picture an ideal Mother's Day?
An ideal Mother's Day, I would get breakfast in bed, I would sleep in, I would have a spa day, my house would be clean, I wouldn't have to lift up my feet at all, maybe I'd get a foot rub, I'd get lots of flowers, I'd get a nice hot bath, maybe some wine, a very relaxing day, go to bed early, and I wouldn't have to use my brain at all.
Max, did you get it all? Yes. Courtney, can you tell us little ideas for our mom so we can do it?
Maybe you could get her some flowers.
Oh, yes, sure.
Or you could make her a card like this.
Not too bad.
I used to be better when I was younger.
I have an idea. Let's make a flower. Can you make the flower like this?
I don't think so.
Don't worry, I will show you.
Okay.
This flower is for you.
Thank you, Max.
So guys, do you celebrate Mother's Day in Russia?
We not usually celebrate Mother's Day in Russia, but we celebrate International Women's Day.
How do you say International Women's Day in Russian?
Международный женский день.
One more time.
Международный
Международный
женский
день.
день. Yes, you did it.
I think that's what I said the first time. How do you say celebration in Russian?
Празднование.
I can't roll my R's. Okay, one more time.
Празднование.
One more time.
Празднование.
That's even harder. Brazninen. How do you say mother in Russian?
Mama.
Oh, easy. Mama.
I know.
Nicole, how do you say teacher in Russian?
Учительница.
Oh my God. Учительница.
Учительница.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to challenge you to some English words. Can you say claustrophobia?
Claustrophobia.
Wow, good job. That was good. Okay, can you say specific?
Specific.
Oh, good job. Can you say celebration?
Celebration.
Oh, it's easier in English. Good job. Max, can you say Newfoundland?
Newfoundland.
Good job. I'm from Newfoundland, Canada, and we speak English, but we speak a certain kind of dialect called Newfie. So while it's still English, it has a little bit of an accent to it. So I'm going to challenge you guys to some Newfie words. For example, in Newfoundland, instead of saying mom, we say mutter. Can you say mutter?
Mother.
Good. And instead of dad, we say father.
Father.
Good job. And instead of saying how are you doing, we say how's she cutting?
How's she cutting?
Good job. Or instead of a boy, we say a bye.
Bye.
Yeah, good job, you guys.
Bye.
Yeah, so good boy says goodbye. Yeah. That was good. You guys are good.
How do you say goodbye?
It's still goodbye, but it just means good boy, we say goodbye.
Now I'm gonna seriously challenge you.
Okay.
Электростанция.
Electrostancia. Yay! Parasite. Does that mean parasite? Oh, cool. Okay. Can you guys say refrigerator?
Refrigerator.
Got you. Finally.
Холодильник.
Холодильник?
Скороговорка, стишок. Скороговорка.
Скороговорка.
Клара у Карла украла кораллы.
Carla u Carla. Carla u Crawley. Carla u
Клары
Clare
украла
ukrala
капусту.
capusto.
Courtney, next time you don't like a person, say kapusta. And did they stop?
Capusta.
Good job. Thank you for coming today, Courtney. It was so much fun with you.
Thanks for having me, you guys. I learned so much.
Yes, you are. We learned so much.
Mom, I know you're watching, and this flower is for you. I wish I could be with you this Mother's Day. I miss and love you so much. Happy Mother's Day! Bye! Seriously, guys, if you want to learn how to make this awesome flower that Max did, click the link up here.